Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are happy, healthy, and having a wonderful day. Today, we are going to learn something that can completely change your life. Our topic is how to learn English speaking easily. Many people think English is difficult. Some people study English for many years, but they still cannot speak confidently. They know grammar, they know vocabulary, they can read books, they can understand videos. But when someone speaks to them in English, they become nervous. They forget simple words. They don't know what to say. Does this happen to you? If your answer is yes, don't worry. You are not alone. The good news is this: anyone can learn to speak English. Yes. You do not need to be a genius. You do not need expensive courses. You do not need to live in an English-speaking country. You only need the right method, daily practice, and patience. Today, I will share simple and effective ways to learn English speaking easily. So stay with me until the end, because every tip is important. Let's begin.
Change your mindset. The first step is not grammar. The first step is your mindset. Many learners think, I can't speak English. My English is poor. I will make mistakes. Please stop thinking like that. Instead, say, I am learning. I can improve every day. Mistakes help me learn. Remember this: every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. No one was born speaking English. Everyone started with simple words and simple sentences. Believe in yourself. Confidence is the first key to success. 2. Learn simple English first. Many learners try to learn difficult words. That is a mistake. Start with easy English. Learn words that you use every day. For example, good morning. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Please. Excuse me. See you later. These simple expressions are used every day. Simple English is powerful English. When you master simple English, speaking becomes much easier.
3. Learn everyday vocabulary. Don't try to memorize hundreds of words in one day. Learn only 10 to 15 useful words daily. For example, kitchen, window, chair, table, bottle, phone, book, school, friend, teacher. Now make sentences. This is my chair. I have a phone. The window is open. The bottle is full. Learning words inside sentences helps you remember them longer. 4. Speak every day. Speaking is like exercising. If you don't practice, you won't improve. Speak English every day. Even if you speak for only 10 minutes, it helps. Talk to yourself. Describe your room. Describe your family. Describe your daily routine. For example, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I drink tea. I go to work. I come home in the evening. Simple speaking practice builds confidence. 5. Think in English. Many learners first think in their native language. Then they translate into English. This takes time. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. When you see a tree, think, this is a beautiful tree. When you drink water, think, the water is cold. When you walk outside, think, the weather is nice today. Little by little, your brain will become comfortable with English.
6. Listen every day. Listening is one of the fastest ways to improve speaking. Listen to English every day. Listen to slow English. Listen to conversations. Listen to stories. Listen to podcasts. Listen to YouTube videos. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Keep listening. Your ears will become familiar with English sounds. 7. Repeat after native speakers. This is one of the best techniques. Listen, pause, repeat. Copy their pronunciation. Copy their rhythm. Copy their expression. For example, native speaker, nice to meet you. You repeat,
Nice to meet you. Again, again, again. The more you repeat, the more natural your English becomes. 8. Learn useful daily sentences. Instead of learning only vocabulary, learn complete sentences. Examples. What are you doing? I am reading a book. Can you help me? I am very busy today. What time is it? I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please? Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. These sentences are useful in daily life.
9. Read aloud. Reading silently improves reading. Reading aloud improves speaking. Open a simple English book. Read slowly. Read clearly. Read with expression. Practice every day. This improves pronunciation, confidence, and fluency. 10. Don't fear mistakes. Many learners stay silent because they fear making mistakes. Remember this. Mistakes are teachers. Every mistake helps you improve. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. Don't wait for perfect English. Start speaking today. Progress is more important than perfection. 11. Practice short conversations. Imagine simple conversations. Example. Hello. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. What are you doing? I'm studying English. That's great. Thank you. Practice these conversations many times. Soon they will become natural. 12. Describe everything around you. This is a fun exercise. Look around your room. Describe everything. For example, this is my desk. There is a laptop on the desk. The room is clean. The fan is running. The door is closed. The wall is white. This simple exercise improves speaking quickly.
13. Learn through stories. Stories make learning enjoyable. Read easy English stories. Listen to short stories. Retell the story in your own words. This improves vocabulary, grammar, confidence, and speaking at the same time. 14. Practice questions and answers. Ask yourself questions, then answer them. For example, what is your name? My name is David. Where do you live? I live in Bangladesh. What do you do? I am a student. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading books. This is excellent speaking practice. 15. Create an English environment. Make English part of your daily life. Change your phone language to English. Watch English videos. Read English news. Listen to English music. Write your shopping list in English. Think in English. Speak English. The more English you use, the faster you improve. Daily 30-minute practice routine. Here is a simple daily plan. First 5 minutes, learn 10 new words. Next 5 minutes, read aloud. Next 5 minutes, listen to English. Next 5 minutes, repeat after the speaker. Next 5 minutes, talk to yourself. Last 5 minutes, review everything. If you follow this routine every day, you will notice improvement within a few months.
Remember, learning English is not a race. Everyone learns at a different speed. Some people learn faster, some people need more time. Both are okay. The important thing is consistency. 1 page every day is better than 1 book in 1 day. 1 conversation every day is better than no conversation. 1 step every day leads to a long journey. Never compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday. If you know 1 more sentence today than yesterday, you are improving. Keep learning. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. One day, you will speak English confidently. And on that day, you will thank yourself for never giving up. Congratulations. Today, you learned simple and powerful ways to learn English speaking easily. Let's quickly review. Believe in yourself. Learn simple English first. Build your daily vocabulary. Speak every day. Think in English. Listen every day.
Repeat after native speakers. Learn complete sentences. Read aloud. Don't fear mistakes. Practice conversations. Describe everything around you. Learn through stories. Practice questions and answers. Create an English environment. Follow a daily practice routine. Remember, fluency does not come from studying English only. Fluency comes from using English every single day. If you practice consistently, you will become a confident English speaker. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more easy and practical English speaking lessons. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep smiling, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day. Happy English learning.